Do you guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys... Are you fucking kidding me? A man snuck a bird into the show? There's a parrot on a man's shoulder with a fedora. I knew I was smoking too much weed. How did you sneak him in? You didn't, you're allowed. You walked right in. What's his name? Or her? Blue? Him? Blue. How old is Blue? 6.5. And what kind of bird is he? A sun something, and for you simple-minded folk, a parrot. Does he speak? Does he repeat? Do you think he'll go home and recite my set? He'll be like, butt plug, butt plug, butt